color grade Canon Log3 on the Davinci Resolve free version, but the files need to be converted to a format that Resolve can process, like Apple ProRes. Short video to get started and generate feedback. My plan is to make a more detailed video later based on comments. What you will need to start: Davinci Resolve free version, and some basic understanding of the program. Also, provided at my Ko-Fi site, video clips in ProRes format for practice, and the DRP file to start Davinci Resolve with the color node structure already set up. All download links are in the video notes. A very basic plan. Use the DRP file to open Resolve. Add one or more clips to the media pool, then add to the timeline. Go to Color page and open the Power Grade tab. Drag the still frame over the log clip. The clip is now ready for your processing as desired. The clips need a bit of help as they were originally poorly exposed, but all the better for practice. Only use the 3 middle nodes for user input, as the first and last node values are preset conversions. My final edit of the 4 clips closes the video.